I got the new Darth Vader Black Series helmet, the updated version. We're going to unbox it and see if it was better than the original. And yes, I have Star Wars scissors, don't you? So if you don't know, there have been a couple different versions of the Black Series Vader helmet, but this one is the one that was recently released. It's got some changes to it. So we're going to check it out and see if it's any better than the one I had before. Little instruction manual probably tells you where, little instruction manual tells you where the batteries are, how to put it together, things like that. I will say it's packaged extremely well. Starting off with the dome, we've got the magnets on the underside that's going to allow this to sit nicely on the actual helmet. So coming out of the box, I can see some noticeable differences already. The first one being that the eyes now have a red tint, whereas in the original version, they did not have the red. They were just a black glossed over eyes. But the helmet itself is not stark black either, like the last version. It's got a bit of a steel tint to it, which I think gives it a much better look, and it's going to be more authentic than the version before it. Another big difference between versions is on the last model, this was one solid piece, but now it comes apart into more pieces just like the helmet in the movie. This is also secured with magnets, so there's not a whole lot of clicking into place. The magnets will hold it together. The detail on the inside of the mask is spectacular as well. We can see all of the components that keep Vader breathing, and we've got the components on the inside of the face part as well. Really good detail, really adds something to this piece. The neck comes off in the back, and you have your battery compartment here to activate the noise portions. Takes 2 AAA batteries. All that's left is to try it on. So we can put the neck part on its own. Let that sit there like so. We have some elastic inside the helmet here, which will hold it onto our head, and some real nice padding on top. Okay, I was not expecting that noise when it clamped together. That was pretty awesome. And finally, the dome. And I can tell you the red is really, really cool looking through it. It does turn everything in your vision red. And that's pretty amazing. You also don't have to take it off or put it on in those 2 pieces. You can take it off and on with both the bottom and the top already connected. All in all, I think that this is a great upgrade from the version beforehand, and the price point was no different. But tell me what you think. Do you think this helmet is worth a purchase? Are you going to check it out for yourself? Let me know, and may the Force be with you.